that's a cottons, you know, cottons, right? But cotton pads, because cotton pads you use that for cleaning your ears and remove airwax. Yes, and I'm here in Pandan where you can buy something. In Pandan, there's a mall backside of this building. This buildings, yes, is a mall, a home care, yeah. Parang ano, home care is like home sweet home, and that house will taking care of you. At nandito ang aking pamangkin na pang-asar na wala din ginawa kundi hilahin ang aking buhok. Ayan, pasimple lang siya. Hello guys muna, say hello. Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. Ito Titanis vlog. By the way guys, thank you so much for all of your supports and prayer. Yes, dahil ng simbahan guys, binawasan ko ang aking kasalanan. Yun. Magbawas-bawas din kayo ng kasalanan paminsan-minsan. At yun nga guys, ayan, misi na siya. At sa sobrang dami ng mga kasalanan guys ay pinag-pray ko naman kayo. Pero syempre, sabi ni Father ay pumasok ba kayo ng simbahan para magbawasan yung mga kasalanan. Hindi ako lang may sabi nun guys. Yun lang, bye-bye.